In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a process, step flow, steps, sequence, or chain section using the Elementor widget. This is a great way to visually represent a process or a sequence of steps on your website, making it more engaging and easy to follow for your audience. First, we need to get started by heading to your website's WordPress login page. Make sure that you have your login credentials handy and log in to access your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, you'll notice a menu on the left side of the dashboard. This is where you will find everything you need to manage your website, including plugins like Elementor. Now let's navigate to the Elementor section. From the dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left and click on the Elementor option. This will bring up the Elementor interface, which is a powerful tool for creating stunning web pages without any coding knowledge. It's intuitive and user-friendly, making it a go-to choice for many website developers and designers. Once you are in the Elementor section, the next step is to look for the add-ons. Here is where you can extend the functionality of Elementor by adding extra widgets and features. Click on the add-ons option. Doing this opens up a whole new world of possibilities for customizing your website and enhancing its functionality. To create the process or step flow, we'll need a particular add-on called Essential Add-ons. This powerful tool amplifies what you can do with Elementor, providing you with many useful widgets and extensions. So, in the add-ons section, do a quick search for Essential Add-ons. If you have not installed it before, now is the time to do so. However, if you see a message saying you need to upgrade, it could mean that some features require the Pro version of the plugin. Consider upgrading if you're planning to frequently use advanced widgets and features that are exclusive to the Pro version. Once you've found the essential add-ons, go ahead and click on Install. Installing this add-on will only take a minute, and once it's done, you'll have access to a variety of new widgets that will enable you to effortlessly create the process or step flow section. With the add-on installed, you're equipped to design and customize the sequence section that best fits your website's content and style. That's it. Now you're ready to start building engaging and informative sequences or processes with Elementor on your WordPress site. Get creative, play around with the features, and see just how much you can do with these newly installed tools. Thanks for watching.